How's it going, guys? Today we are adding more carbon fiber to my C6 Corvette, and that's gonna be the replacement of my B pillar. Now OEM, they come paint matched. A lot of people tend to wrap it black so it makes the whole top black, but we're gonna go one step further and do a full direct replacement with the carbon fiber part, thanks to Extreme Online Store, new sponsor of the build. Super excited, and I can't wait to add more carbon to my C6. Now I've actually never replaced or removed the B pillar, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly step by step how to do it. Shouldn't be too hard. So for starters, we are gonna remove the target top. I'm just gonna put mine in my trunk for now because we do need to access some screws or bolts along here. We have two Torx screws here, two Torx screws on the other side, and some bolts up top here. All right, so next I'm gonna remove this weather strip and open the door, and we also have to remove this bottom plastic cover. So yeah, let me show you guys everything you'll need. Now here's everything we're gonna need to do this project. We need a clip popper, a ratchet, 6mm for the ratchet or electric ratchet. To remove those Torx screws, we have a T15, and then just a little bin so we don't lose the screws. All right, so I'm gonna start with these on the side. Same thing on the other side. Again, there's a T15, and we don't want to lose these. Okay, now we're gonna remove these 4 bolts, one here, one there, one there, one there. Okay, next we're gonna remove this weather seal strip, and then we might loosen this over here just to get a little more access. So this plastic trim, might have to move it down a little. Okay, now you can see we have this rail here. I believe we're gonna reuse this rail, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws along the rail, and then we have 3 more on each side. If you do want to remove this headliner trim, there's some clips over here. Just pop those out carefully or aggressively. Well, this one's broken. Okay, and basically you just have to lower this headliner down. I did break 2 clips. You have 1 push clip here and 1 here. I removed on each side except that corner one, but I don't need to remove it fully because I only need access to these 1, 2, 3, 4 Torx bolts or Torx screws to remove the B pillar. We might need to reuse these rails, so might have to remove that, and those are with Phillips screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the top rail and 3 on the side rail. And here it is, of course, packaged nicely. Got some foam on the edges. Got a new banner, EOS, aka Extreme Online Store. We'll be putting that on as well. But oh my god, this thing is paper weight. Check that out. With one finger, just balance it, boom. And here it is. Check that out. The clear coat looks good, the carbon looks good. Pretty much matches my carbon wing, so it's gonna be perfect. I am now transferring these rails. Like I said, you do have to make your own holes onto the carbon. So I'm using a drill and the screw itself that we removed to just, I put one end and then the other. That way I can work my way in, make sure it's in the middle. And then we'll do the one on the side. The one on the side, it is 3M'd on, so I will put 3M as well. The top one did not have 3M, as you can see here. So I'm just gonna go with it as is, like here. But it should be good. It looks like it has like a little bit of foam in it, but it's part of the rail itself. There's no residue on that, so we should be good. let me just drill these out, put this, and then yeah, I mean that once I remove that, I can take that off, and then this will be good to go. All right, and once you remove the torque bolts that are on this thing right here, with a little force, it pops right up. You can take advantage to clean this thing, and here's how it looks side by side. The carbon just looks so good. You can see the parts that I didn't wrap because they were not visible. And then there is a weather strip that's 3M'd on here. I did remove it because I will transfer it over here. Same thing, I'm just gonna 3M it. I did the holes for this bracket already, and I just gotta do that side, and we should be good. Once I put the seal here, I'll be able to mount this and bolt everything up, put the seals on here, and we'll be set. Here it is. Honestly, that video that you just saw was so old, and I realized I forgot to put an outro, but check it out. Here's how the car looks currently. We put the center caps back on, and of course, the matter of the subject, the carbon halo. Look at that. As you can see, fits really good. I put the weather strip back on from transferred from the OEM one, and it is mint. Here's how it looks with the seals. Again, transferred this seal over. So as you can see, pretty much perfect fitment. This is just from this side on the latch. Let me show you guys the other side. And voila, carbon fiber. There you go. All right, let me cue the B-roll, and of course, let me know what you guys think. Was this upgrade worth it? Would you guys do it? Honestly, if you ask me, 100% you should do it. It looks so cool, and just another bit of carbon fiber. Obviously now it matches my carbon fiber wing. And I used to have a carbon hood, so that would have gone perfectly. I will get a carbon hood again someday in the future. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for the next video where we put even more carbon fiber.